Everyone has their local favorite spots. Now discover more favorites recommended by people just like you. Introducing Oaklo, powered by real people, not algorithms, and your go-to for discovering awesome local businesses, whether you're connected or not, like restaurants, childcare, or pet care. Search with confidence. We do the work for you, providing detailed public reviews and ratings. The Oaklo Social Trust Score estimates your agreement with others' ratings based on connections and reviews. It's like a friend's guess, available even before you sign up. Easily message, call, request a quote, or visit the website. Add them to your favorites and we'll recommend similar places based on folks who share your tastes. Visualize your preferences. Check out your interactive recommendation graph, showcasing your favorite places and services. Review businesses to see more local gems you might adore. Now try a search for yourself.